Hello guys, I'm gonna install the decal sticker for my truck, and I'm gonna put right here, but I'm gonna clean. I already finished the other one. See, Ford Explorer, it's a decal sticker guys. So I'm gonna install in each door. I got 4 this one. I cut in the pieces, and I got 2 more on the other side of my door. So I'm gonna clean this up, but for me, I just wipe it out, clean it up wherever you want. Clean. So right now I'm gonna peel up the sticker, and after that I'm gonna use my card to scrape it up, like credit card or something, ATM card. So let's see what is going on here. So I have to peel up the thing, peel this up sticker. Right there, see? So I'm gonna install right here. Make sure right there. Right here guys. So I use card. They got bubbles right there. It's good. Like design on my truck guys. So let's see what it look like. Let's see. Do the other side too. Look at these guys. Can you see? Right there, guy, perfect. We're gonna go the other side door. I got 2, 1 here and 1 here. Perfect. So we're gonna get the 2 more for the other side. Let's go the other side, guys. On the door. On this door and this door. So I'm gonna cut this up because it's 2. So let's cut it in. I'm gonna use my thing, guys. There. So sticker design for the truck. Okay. Don't forget your card to scrape it up for the sticker. So let's put on it a 3rd one. So I have to clean it first. Just what? And then we peel up this sticker. One is stick, only this one. So the one is this one I have to take off. It was, so I have to take it off. It's just a sticker. Card, so take out the bubble. So let's see what it looks like, guys. This is the third one. Just slow down. Maybe I can put the sport truck here somewhere. The next one, guys, the fourth one. Install the fourth one, last but the least. So we got finished, so we need to put right here. I already did this one. Look how beautiful it is, so beautiful. So I'm gonna clean the fourth one now. Almost be finished. Okay, and then this is the last one. Here, guys, sticker. Just put right here on my truck door. That's it, guys. Perfect. Pretty. Look at that. That's it.